Hey there! In this video, we are going to see how to install and set up OpenCV on an Ubuntu system. Step 1. Install the required libraries. Start a new terminal session and run sudo apt-get update followed by sudo apt-get upgrade. Once your packages are up to date, install the dependencies, CMake and build essential. We'll be using CMake to run our code. Step 2. Install OpenCV. To install OpenCV on your system, run this simple command: sudo apt-get install libopencv-dev and hit enter. Give it a few minutes. After OpenCV is installed, we can use package config to verify the installation. Here we can see OpenCV 4.5.4 is installed. Step 3. Set up OpenCV dir variable. We need to set up the OpenCV dir variable to run our sample codes. First, use the find command to find the OpenCV config file. It will return a path to the file. Copy this path and set the OpenCV dir variable to this path. Append this to the bash rc. And that's it. OpenCV is installed on your system. In the next video, we'll see how to run a sample code.